kilos. So that you have an idea, just to produce that one gold bullion, they need 100 cards. 100 cards of like this, not 100 racks, not like this. It's 100 cards.
To produce 20 kilos of gold bullion.
100 cards just to produce one gold bullion, that is 20 kilos. So if you're going to sell that one, ang cost ng one gold bullion natin is 30 million pesos.
So,
That's pure gold, 24
Yes.
carats.
No,
100 such cards would give you 20 kilo gold.
30% of silver and 10% of base metal impurities. So, ibig sabihin, ang main product ng Benguet Corporation is gold and silver.
Ah, okay.
And then, lahat ng gold natin dito, they're going to deliver it to Central Bank. Central Bank will be the one to refine it for 99.9% of gold.
That's yours.
This is mine.
We're going to process that one.
You are in
So
mine.
you can only take the gold here until you're going to grind it, make it powder. Pag ipapowder,
100 such cards would give you 20